Alright guys, in this video we'll be changing the oil on a 2011 TSX. This is the oil we'll be using, Mobil 1 OW20, full synthetic. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, after it's lifted with jack stands, you don't want the car falling on you, both sides. Come under here, take the cover off. It's only like 6 Phillips screws. There's one here, there, down there, up here, another one there. Then you get to see the oil pan. This is where you will be taking the oil out. Drain it. Here's the oil filter. We'll drain it first and then take the oil filter out. And I have this here. Oil goes in there. You cover it back up, take it to AutoZone. AutoZone gets rid of it. You don't have to worry about where you're gonna put the oil at. You buy it off AutoZone or even Walmart. All right, let's get to it. All right, here we are. This will be a 17. You gotta be careful because it's gonna fly out. Not too bad. Thought it was gonna be worse than that. That's it. We'll just wait till this is all done, and then we'll get to the filter. Another thing I like to do is put a little bit of new oil in there, just so I can get more of the old stuff out. That's what we're gonna do now. All right. I don't have a funnel, so this is how we're gonna have to do it. Go. Alright, we got that one all put back together. Now it's time for this one. This one might get a little messy. Wait till that drains out, put the new one in. Another thing I like to do is put oil inside the filter and around the seal. Some in there. Put it on the seal there. Ready to put back. Alright, we got this tightened up. Put the new one in. Always do it by hand, never use anything else, because it'll be super hard to get out. All we got to do now is put the plastic back on, and then we can put oil in. Alright, I lowered it, took the jack stands off, put the oil in. It's about almost 5 quarts that go in here. I usually let it run for a couple minutes, then turn it off, let it sit for a while, and chuck the oil. Another thing before I end the video, if you want to reset your oil percentage, all you got to do is go on here, keep tapping it until you get to oil. When you get to oil, just hold it down. This menu should pop up. You go here, press up to reset. Select. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.